Use the same whole when multiplying 2/3 by 3/5.
Ambient forest sounds of rustling leaves. We will apply and extend previous understandings of multiplication to multiply a fraction or whole number by a fraction. We will multiply a fraction by a whole number, multiply two fractions, find a fraction of a fraction, and reject adding denominators. Find 2/3 times 4 and explain the product with equal groups. Let's set up 4 equal groups, each containing 2/3 of the same size whole. 4 groups of 2/3 contain exactly 8/3. We write 8/3 as the mixed number 2 and 2/3. The unit remains the same whole used for each group. 2/3 times 4 equals 8/3, which equals 2 and 2/3. Now let's find 2/3 times 3/5. This area model shows thirds in one direction and fifths in the other. Multiply the numerators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. Simplify 6/15 to 2/5. 2/3 times 3/5 equals 2/5. A strip is 3/4 shaded, and 2/3 of the shaded part is blue. What fraction of the whole strip is blue? Picture the overlap on this read before we calculate it. The question asks for 2/3 of 3/4. We multiply 2/3 times 3/4, which equals 6/12. Simplify 6/12 to 1/2. 1/2 of the whole strip is blue. A student says 1/2 times 2/7 equals 2/9. What is the error? Fraction multiplication does not add denominators. We multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 times 2 over 2 times 7 equals 2/14. Simplify 2/14 to 1/7. 1/2 times 2/7 equals 1/7, not 2/9. Here are the results. 2/3 times 4 equals 8/3, which equals 2 and 2/3. 2/3 times 3/5 equals 2/5. 1/2 of the whole strip is blue. 1/2 times 2/7 equals 1/7, not 2/9. How would you check this result? 1/2 times 2/7 equals 1/7, not 2/9.
The overlapping area is 6/15, which equals 2/5.